Okay, we're going to be looking at how to link CSS to HTML, and we're also going to be discussing what we call combinators. So let's go straight into the video. Okay, so now in order to link our CSS, an extended CSS to an HTML document, there's a specific link that we have to place within the HTML document, and to be specific, it have to be done within the head. So now we have to put link here, and we say rel. Within there, we put style sheet and come out. Here we say href. Sorry, out of this and say href. In there, we put the way we saved the CSS, our CSS file. So for me, I say you can give it any name. For me, I save it as starting.css. So put styling here .css. Now we close it. So definitely we have linked our HTML document here to the CSS file. So definitely they are linked already. So once you do that, you have already linked this extended CSS here to this HTML file. Okay, now let's see if we can do any little small styling to see if it will take effect. So we'll go to the CSS and let's see if we cannot change anything about that. Let's say we want to change the background color. So background, sorry, before I have to select body, bracket, enter, and let's say background color. And we want to change that background color to maybe let's say black. Other news is kind of purple like stuff. Okay, so we put that there and we press Control and S to save. That's the shortcut key. Save, Control and S. So now we have saved it, and let's see if we can go to our browser to see if it will launch. So we just refresh it. Okay, so now we have taken effect here to the purple like color line. So definitely our extended CSS is linked to the HTML document. So whatever coding, not the coding, whatever styling we do within CSS, it will take effect on that particular work you are doing. So definitely that is how to link the an extended CSS to an HTML document. There are a lot of ways to do CSS. You can do CSS within. You can also do CSS within the head here. But basically, the topic is about linking it to an extended CSS file. Okay, so we also going to be looking at or discussing what we call combinators, right? So combinators just explain the relationship between, let's say, selected or listed selectors, right? So we're going to be looking at four of them today. That is the descendant, the child, the general sibling, and um the adjacent sibling. So we are going to be looking at the four of them today and going through them. So to get started, we will try to create a div, and we'll give this div an ID, and we'll call it containers, right? Let's say containers. Okay, container, right? So then we're going to put some like a paragraph for demonstration. Paragraph. This, okay, let's say the cat one. Copy this to save time. Control C, Control V. The cat two. Right. Then within the div, Okay, so we're also going to create another div within the div. So div, and then here we'll put the cat. Sorry, copy another paragraph, and here we'll say the cat 3, the cat 4, right? So, and then we're going to come out of these two divs and create the next two paragraph for the demonstration. Let's say the cat 5 and the cat 6. So now we'll use the particular um elements or the particular paragraph in this div to do the example. So we'll move on to our CSS in order to work that out. Okay, so let's say we want to put a border around this our entire div with the ID container, right? So we'll drop down to our CSS here and we put in hash first, hash container brackets, and we're going to put a border around that particular div with the ID. So we say border, let's say 10 pixel, sorry, 10 pixel, sorry, right? Then we save it. Now let's see. Refresh. Now you can see here we have a border around the entire we have a border around the entire div with the ID of container, right? So okay, let's see. So we want to highlight all the paragraph descending within the container here, right? We want to highlight all the paragraph descending within our container here, right? So we just use some container here, space, um, brackets. Want to change the background color of the paragraph, right? Sorry, the background color of the paragraph. So we have to mention P, right? Put P because of the paragraph background will change. So we say background color, and let's give it brown light. Okay, something like that. And then we save. Go to the browser and we refresh. So now all the paragraph descending of our container here, because we put a space before putting the paragraph in the bracket, so it highlighted all the paragraph descending of this our container, right? So let's get to the next step, the next one. So that was the descending. Now we have children, right? Children is a right angle bracket, right? A right angle bracket, a right angle bracket. Okay, so we only want to highlight the paragraph of the children of the how they call it the within the div, hmm? Not the descendant. So we save this I will change the color to something else. Change the color to green, like okay. Let's see. Go back to the browser and refresh. So now you see it will only highlight the children. Why? Because we use the right angle um bracket. So 1 to 4 are descending of the continuum, but they are not children. So 1 and 2 are the children of this continuum. So you understand, in order to select the children, we use the right angle bracket. In order to select the descendant, we use just space. So now the part we're selecting the children. The reason why we use the right angle bracket. So now you can see here only the children is highlighted, or only the children here are highlighted, 1 and 2. Okay, so the next one we'll be looking is right. So we want to highlight the paragraph, which is general sibling want to highlight. Is the we have to use this line, kind of curly line. Yeah. So we use this, it will highlight only the general sibling. Control and let's say go back to our browser. So the general sibling. Now you only highlight 5 and 6 because they are the general sibling to the particular ones. 5 and 6 are general sibling. 5 and 6 are the general siblings.